Hey guys, it's Info Girl. Let's get right into it. So, today we have a lender by the name of Tomo. Now, the good thing about this card is no credit score is needed to be approved. You can also get a limit as high as $10,000. Your financial freedom starts here. Now, the good thing about this credit card is it is to help you rebuild your personal credit. Okay, you can use your Tomo card wherever you go. Tomo will turn that into credit building. Okay, now they do report to all three credit bureaus: Equifax, TransUnion, and Experian. And they also have additional benefits worth over $500. So you can enjoy benefits from their merchant partners, DoorDash, Lyft, and more. Now, again, this is to help you rebuild your personal credit. If you have a low credit or no credit score, the application process is very simple and straightforward, and you can get an instant decision. And you can get your credit boost within 30 days, again, up to 77 points. Okay. So if you are looking for a credit card with high limits, and looking to rebuild your personal credit, this could be the card for you. And of course, if you guys would like to see more videos like this, make sure you hit that like, share, and subscribe button and hit the notification bell. So every time I post a new video, you guys will get an update.